anytime we have this, for example, like what happening to me. I have an accident and I didn't know that it happens, because I am a good driver. A good driver. I do follow lights, but the thing is the drunk driver came and just touched my manibela, my handle, and thank God that I was slow. Maybe I was like 25 when the crazy drunk driver hit me, and I'm just thankful that there is no fracture, and that's the good thing. I'm just thankful to God that he not even small of my bone dislocate. There's nothing like that. So even though I have roses or I have wounds, I have wounds too. So on my hands and my knee and my lower thigh have this kind of wound. And also this one is almost healed. That one. I have round thing, round thing. So it's healing. See, it's healing.